Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video. I've been asked about an update on the interface board. If you haven't been following my channel, I have designed and will be building an interface board that's for the Retevis RT97S or the Midland MXR10 GMRS two-way radio repeater. This interface board will let you hook up your repeater to your laptop so you can run programs like date and time and weather announcements or Zello over your repeater airwaves. That's what this interface board will do. And I'm still testing it. If you're wondering what's going on, I'm still testing it. I keep tweaking it. I keep adjusting it. I keep coming up with more ideas to try to add to it. I got to quit doing that because otherwise I'll never get this thing done. So that's another problem. I keep, I get an idea. I'm like, oh, I got to add to the board. So, which delays things. So be patient with me. I'm still testing it. And hopefully within the next few weeks, hopefully, if all goes well, I will have this ready. And when I get to that point, I'll make a video on how you can get one. So I'll make a video for that. Now, also, too, you got to keep in mind that I'm not doing just the board. I'm also writing up documentation that I keep adjusting and fine-tuning. And I've done videos on this board, and I've done videos on how to set up the software. All that's going to go hand in hand. When all this comes together, I'll have a documentation that you can read and videos you can watch. So, and matter of fact, if you've been to my forum, I have a category for this interface board. You can kind of see the progress as I've been doing this. I keep adding more and more posts. It's free to join the forum, but I'll have that link down below so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So that I'm also doing that along with testing the board, write up the documentation. Now, if you're interested in a board, I will post an email, my email address in the description below. Shoot me an email saying, hey, I may be interested. Now, I'm not going to hold it to you, so don't worry about if you change your mind or whatever the case may be. I'm not going to hold you to it. So if you're interested, shoot me an email. I'll post that link down below. For the ones that did email me before, shoot me another email. That's fine. So I have an idea of how many people may be interested in getting this board. I'm also going to, and if you probably haven't noticed, I do videos on this board, and I obviously doing that, so that's going to go along with the documentation. So you may see some more videos coming out with me on this board. And that's the reason why, because I want to do the videos, and obviously I want the documentation, the videos all done before I say I'm ready for you to get this board. So that's what's kind of going on. So please be patient. I apologize for the delay. Hopefully the next few weeks, if all goes well, I will be ready. And again, I will make a video when I am ready. So if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.